Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this car tech video. I'm going to do a really short video and showing you how to do the mileage correction on a Volvo vehicle. We're using the Xtool X100 Pro 2 kit, and I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description below this video and also in the comments box as well. It's such a simple tool to use and to do the mileage correction on. You have the list here. I've got this plugged into the diagnostic port of Volvo. It only works on a couple of Volvos, so it'll only work on the S80, the XC60 and the XC70, which is good if you have one of those vehicles. But obviously you've probably noticed we're not in a Volvo right now, we're in a Porsche, so we have to select our vehicle, but I assure you the process is exactly the same. So we're going to go to Cayenne, just go through the process of selecting our vehicle, and we've now got backup and backup and mileage adjustment. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to click OK. Click whatever's appropriate to yourself. Mine is miles, and then you would generally click on new file. This saves this mileage information on the tool. In case you make a mistake or you're worried about making a mistake, I would just definitely make a backup file so that you can always revert back to it if you need to. I've already done that. I've got 01.bin, so that's my recovery file. So I'm just going to click backup here because I don't need to go and make a new one. So it's giving us a quick error message there, but that's fine. We just want to OK that, and that'll get us into the change mileage bit. So if I click down, now giving us an option to put new digits in. So I'm going to say that I want the mileage of this car to read 170,300. Quite high, quite excessive, but it's just really to show you the process involved and how it will work no matter what you put in. You could put that you wanted it to be at 2,500 miles or 25,000 miles. So click OK to that. Input value 170,300. Communicating. Everything's going to drop off. It's going to come back on, and now you can see 170,246. So it's got us within 54 miles there, which is quite good. Generally, the higher up you go, the higher the mileage, you'll probably get within about 50 miles ish. If you are changing it to say 20,000, you'd probably get to within maybe 10 or 15 miles. But it's close enough. No doubt you could go back in here, you could play around with the numbers if you wanted to, and actually go back in and just keep trying it until you get exactly where you need to be. So we've got mileage adjustment complete. What I can do here is I can just go back to the recovery screen now, and it's going to find my recovery file. Click OK to that, click OK to that, communicating. It'll drop off again, and it should recover us to 105,657, which it has. Recovery successful. Don't worry about these error messages on screen, these relate to something completely different. I've got a faulty ABS sensor in this car at the moment, and I'm just waiting for a replacement coming. But we've got recovery successful, and that is really as simple as it comes. But yeah, so as I say, on your Volvo, then you're going to be selecting one of these: S80, SC60, XC70, and it's a really good tool to have if you want to do it for your personal vehicle, then fine. But also if you're a mechanic, you're a garage, a mobile mechanic where you offer this type of service, this is such a simple tool to do it, and it does it all via the OBD2 port. So thanks for watching this car tech video. I hope it helps. And you'll see on the listing all of the vehicles that it will cover. As I say, I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description and in the comments box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.